Hey, ladies. So I wanted to pop on here and show you really quick how to take advantage of those $10 medium utility totes. And also, anytime you are wanting to order something and get that 40% discount, this is how you're going to do it as well. So you go log on to TOT31today.com, and then you're going to go to your virtual office right here. You're going to click that. And then you're going to go up here to orders. You're going to click orders. You guys are going to be amazed at how simple it is. Click new order. And right here on select order type, you're going to click the button and you're going to scroll down to 31 marketplace. You're going to click that. It will automatically pop up all your information in here. And so then you just click save and continue. And the easiest way that I do it, and you do however floats your boat, I go to the search products and I just punch in like medium, and all these will pop up, and I just click medium utility tote. And the this one here is the holiday ones and the football ones, but this one here is all these right here, and you get as many as your little heart desires. So you click those, and then if there's other stuff that you want, then you can get that right now too. So, and if you want to personalize them, you can personalize them. Personalization is 40% off also, so it's whatever you want to do. And then when you're done, then just go to your checkout and check out, and you'll be ready to roll. So that's how you do it. Super easy, and that's how you're going to do it. Anytime you decide you want to, you need to snag something for 40% off, that's how you do it. So talk to you all later. Bye.